So the BMS on my battery system went out about a month ago. Took me a while to figure out it was the BMS that was not working. So I'm going to be installing a new one today. This G-Kong JK BMS. The other one I had was a daily BMS. I had it about 4 or 5 years, but when I was using my inverter, I noticed the inverter was beeping at me and stuff like that, so something was wrong, and it took me a while to figure out it was the BMS, to test around with my multimeter to see where in the system it was malfunctioning. So that's what I'm doing today, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting this thing back back working again. I also switched my inverter connections directly to the battery. Before, I had it connected to a negative bus bar that was going through the BMS. So since the BMS wasn't working, I wasn't able to use my inverter, but since I connected it to my the inverter to my battery system, I was able to get back to cooking again, because it's not much fun just eating like beans and oatmeal and canned sardines. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now, is installing it right here. Here's my battery, so I'll be putting it in there right now.